walking with this is super difficult. It's going to be a very long ride back, guys. And guys, the Grand Canyon of India is here. Wow. And guys, I'm sorry I don't have a drone yet. I'll get it once we reach 40k subscribers. Look at this place. Wow. Let's go over there. And this is going to be my breakfast. So it's very steep there. This is another viewpoint. We have to go there. There's another viewpoint there, so let's go. And guys, this is the other viewpoint from here. People are going there also. I don't know, it's going to be very difficult with the helmet going till there. I'm already too sweaty. If you have the time here, there is a resort called Harita, so you can stay there. Early morning you can do some trekking. There are some caves. You can see the caves also, but I'm not going to do all that. I'll stay here for another half an hour or so and then I'll leave. But before we leave, let's go that side and we'll see how the view is on the other side. Oh, see the view this side. And this is very steep. If you fall from here, gone. And in the summers here it is more hot. Today itself it is super hot, and in the summers it's going to be very hot, but it's an amazing location. I know I've told that a lot of times, but it is. Now let's trek back. Okay, Gandikota, bye bye. I'll have to stop for a quick fuel break and then non-stop Bangalore. It's showing 4:20 as my estimated time of arrival. We'll see. Guys, morning we did 280 kilometers in 4 hours and 6 minutes. Now I think it's gonna take at least 4.5 hours. It's showing 6 hours and 16 minutes. So let's see, guys. On the way there's a small viewpoint. So guys, that's the viewpoint I was talking about. I hope you can see. It's a huge river. I'm literally covered in sweat right now. Need to go home and have a nice cold shower. Yeah, cold shower is the best now. Stopping for a quick fuel break. Bangalore నుంచి గండి కోటకు పోయేసి వాపస్ పోతా ఉండను. వాపస్ వెళ్తున్నా. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఉంది, క్యాచ్ ఎ మైల్ అనేసి. క్యాచ్ ఎ మైల్, CATCH, క్యాచ్ ఎ మైల్, MILE. అదే Oh, thank you. Guys, the fuel break is done, and like you saw, we met a motovlog enthusiast. He follows the motovloggers, it seems, and he's become our new subscriber. His name is Prem Kumar. Thank you so much, Prem. Goat crossing. So many goats. Stopped for a quick snack break, and my ears were paining for some reason. This helmet, my ears are paining a lot. Anyways, we have another snack bar. Don't worry, I'm not throwing everything in the road, or I have kept it. I'll throw it once we go back home. So we have come halfway, 140 kilometers done. We have another 130 kilometers, and after 15 kilometers we're going to get the Hyderabad highway. And finally, guys, in another 1 kilometer we are going to get the highway. My god, riding in these kind of roads is too tiring, and we have another 120 kilometers to home. Actually not bad, it's still 12:45. We were at Gandikota. We spent only 1 hour. That's enough. It's not enough, but since I came alone, that was more than enough. We spent 1 hour there. 9:05 we reached Gandikota. Till 10:05 we were there, and 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. It's been almost 3 hours, and we have come 160 kilometers. Just another 120, and in these beautiful roads, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. So let's go, guys. We are in the highway. This is NH44, so it's going to be the straight highway from here. Let's go. We've crossed the 500 kilometer mark today. From morning 5-6 a.m. 7 hours and 13 minutes of riding time, 1 hour 2 minutes break, and 517 kilometers. So nothing much else to show. If you've liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.